Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. High school athletes are set to get their first ever taste of competing in a biosecure bubble at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships, according to Organizing Committee Chairperson Colleen Montague. ISA President Keith Wellington and officials from the health and local government ministries did a walkthrough of the National Stadium facility on Friday as they fine-tuned protocols for preparation for the May 11 to 15 event. Last week, ISA President Keith Wellington told TVJ Sports that COVID-19 pre-testing will be a requirement for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships this year. And this week, Organizing Committee Chairperson Colleen Montague revealed that arrangements for safety protocols have gone a step further.
So there will be a bubble arrangement for all teams in and around the corporate area, and so that once they are tested, they will be kept in a bubble.
Montague says the committee is now in the process of determining what type of testing will be used for the event.
So we're currently examining the type of testing, which is likely to be the PCR, and then we will be looking at the costing as to how we can cover that in our very restricted budget at this point in time. But what we know is that if that is a requirement, it will get done. Whether they have been vaccinated or not, they will still have to be tested.
But that everyone entering the stadium for the championships, including the media, will have to undergo COVID-19 tests. And at least one of the accompanying officials at the walkthrough was pleased with what they saw. Howard Thomas is the Assistant Superintendent for Fire Prevention in Kingston and St. Andrew.
We had a comprehensive walkthrough today of the entire premises, and all the issues have been identified and all the things are put in place for our smooth champs. You know, the plan that is there is well organized, and we're looking forward for an excellent event.
Montague says the organizers are now finalizing the protocol document to send out to all stakeholders so they can be properly informed prior to the May 11 to 15 event.